Hi, I'm Dr. Ian Goodman. I'm one of the orthopedic sports medicine specialists with Tulsa Bone Joint Owasso. So I chose medicine and specifically orthopedic surgery because I grew up in a family of physicians and really thought that that was what I was supposed to do. As I was growing up, I always felt the need to serve, so I wanted to be either a fireman or go into the military or be a physician. Had a big check in my spirit while I was growing up and finally realized that I wasn't just following in the footsteps of my family, but that it's what I was supposed to be doing. And ever since that point in time, this is where we've kind of been on our path to. I have had about 7 surgeries on my knee growing up playing sports. I think going through the process of the rehab and going through the surgeries and everything that goes, the setbacks for sports, that got me interested in orthopedic surgery. I've always been somebody that loves putting things together, fixing things, and there's the immediate gratification of fixing something broken in orthopedic surgery. And then you get into the sports medicine side where you fix it, but you also have to follow it and you have to treat it and you have to make sure that everything continues to get better with physical therapy and with their clinic follow-ups and everything else. So I specifically focus predominantly on shoulder, knee, and hip arthroscopy, so sports medicine-like injuries, hip impingement, labral tears, hip pain, core muscle injuries, and then the shoulder instability, rotator cuff tears, biceps tendon issues, slap tears, things like that. On top of that, because of my exposure to fracture care with residency training and my time in the Air Force, we'll also do a fair amount of fracture care. I trained on the active duty side with the Air Force after completing medical school down in San Antonio at Brooke Army Medical Center in Wilford Hall, and then was stationed in Destin, Florida at Eglin Air Force Base, where I took care of the 7th Special Forces Group, Army Green Berets, and the 1st Special Operations Squadron, Air Force Special Operations. During that time, I was deployed to Afghanistan alongside Dr. Wild, one of my partners in the group, and we took care of a lot of wounded soldiers and service members who served alongside the U.S. forces while at Bagram Air Force Base. When my wife and I came down here to Owasso, we always wanted something that gave us the small town feel with the close proximity to a city, and growing up in northwest Arkansas, it was very close to family. Everybody we've ever met here has been nothing but kind and open, and we can't wait to be a part of the community and have our daughter grow up here. And I hope what really makes my practice unique is the fact that it's going to be patient-centered, and the patients come first, and they're going to be able to really drive the boat to a certain extent as long as it's medically sound. I love the fact with orthopedics and specifically sports medicine that I get to be a part of a team. Again, I'm Dr. Goodman with Tulsa Bone Joint Owasso, and I look forward to helping you move your life forward.